All snakes are reptiles, but not all reptiles are snakes. Snakes belong to a group of reptiles called squamata, which also includes lizards and Snakes have no legs, no eyelids, and no external ears. Their bodies are elongated and cylindrical, and they typically have scales that are smooth and shiny. Most snakes are carnivorous and eat other animals such as rodents, birds, and other snakes. Some snakes, like pythons and boas, are constrictors, meaning they kill their prey by squeezing them. Other snakes, like cobras and mumbas, are venomous and inject a poison into their prey through their fangs. The venom of these snakes can be very dangerous and, in some cases, deadly to humans. Snakes are found all over the world, and there are many different species. Some snakes are very small, while others can grow to be several meters long. The longest snake in the world is the reticulated python, which can reach lengths of up to 7 meters. The smallest snake in the world is the thread snake, which is only about 10 centimeters long. Most snakes give birth to live young, although some species do lay eggs. The number of babies that a snake can have varies depending on the species, but it can range from a few to several dozen. Snakes typically live for 20 to 30 years, but some species can live for much longer. The longest living snake on record was a reticulated python named Medusa, who lived for 46 years. Now let's talk about some interesting facts about snakes. Snakes don't have nipples. Although they give birth to live young, they don't produce milk for their babies to drink. Instead, the babies are born with the ability to find food and take care of themselves. Snakes can't swim. Even though many species of snakes live in water or near water, they can't actually swim. They are either good swimmers or they spend most of their time on land. Snakes don't chew their food. When a snake eats, it swallows its food whole. The snake's strong jaws and flexible skull allow it to swallow prey that is much larger than its head. Once the food is inside the snake's body, it is digested by strong acids. Snakes shed their skin. As a snake grows, it needs to shed its skin. The old skin becomes too tight, so the snake sheds it and grows a new one. Shedding can be triggered by things like temperature changes, humidity levels, and even stress. Some snakes can hypnotize their prey. Certain species of snakes have the ability to hypnotize their prey before they strike. This is usually only done when the snake feels threatened or is trying to protect its eggs or young. Not all snakes are venomous. While some snakes are highly venomous and can pose a serious threat to humans, many others are not venomous at all. In fact, there are more non-venomous snakes than venomous ones. Snakes play an important role in the ecosystem. Snakes are predators and help to control populations of rodents and other animals. They are also a food source for other animals, including birds, mammals, and humans in some cultures. If you're interested in learning more about snakes, there are many resources available. You can read books, watch documentaries, or even visit a zoo or reptile park. If you live in an area where there are venomous snakes, it's important to be aware of the risks and take precautions to stay safe. But with proper knowledge and respect for snakes, you can appreciate these amazing creatures and the important role they play in our world.